Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up a weight countdown tracker in our planners. Got some washi tape here ready to go, as well as these sticker books which I pulled from. So I had originally made this insert for tracking my weight, which has a chart in the inside as well as a place to track my measurements. And then this kind of folds into the sheet with a blank front and back at this time. And I've been meaning to set up this weight countdown for a while. I've actually had it on that wax paper for about 2 months now, just waiting to be set in. Kind of the reason that I've been procrastinating is because I just wasn't really ready to get down to business and really hone in on my weight. So it took me a little while to really prepare myself to do what needs to be done, but I think I'm ready. Started a new program this March, and so I think I'm just trying to get that consistency going right now. Anyway, so I decided that I needed a weight countdown tracker to kind of help me visualize, losing weight and just dropping down the pounds. And I thought, well, of course I'm going to do something cute. So I used some boxes here from the Cool to Be Kind sticker book. And they say things that I knew I wasn't going to use, like quiz, test, because it's a student sticker book. So I went ahead and whited out the little, prompts that they have at the top of the box, and use those throughout to kind of make squares for tracking my weight as I go down. So that's the basis, and then I also have some washi tape that's going to be kind of like a connector or showing the trail of weight loss as it snakes through the page. That's the main way this is going to be set up, and I'm not going to put in my weight because right now I'm just a little bit embarrassed on how bad it's gotten. COVID-19 really just ruined my progress as far as keeping my weight at a reasonable level. So I gotta refocus and really dial it in, and I'm hoping that this tracker will help me to do that. I made this page using 2 dot grid pages from the Happy Planner, and I just put them together with that washi tape you see there on the edge. So this is the back side of the insert, and on the front I plan to put in my health goals in a later video, hopefully before the end of the month, so that I can kind of just really have everything set by April 1st. So I am putting in the boxes, and I try to pull the colors in almost like a rainbow array as I loop around. I was limited by what boxes were available, and some had this kind of blue cloudy pattern on it. Some were like solid, as you can see the purple and the orange and the pink were more of a solid color, and then there's like a rainbow version all the way down at the bottom. So I tried to make it into kind of like a rainbow of colors as I'm wrapping it around. And I'm just going to put them in. I think I'll have a bigger one just to lead things off with my starting weight, and at the bottom will be my goal weight. And like I said, I haven't really finished figuring out where I'm going to start and where I'm going to end, so I'm probably just going to do 1 pound per square, but I might end up doing 2 depending on how far I have to go. Yeah. So we'll see how that all turns out, but this is a good way for you guys to see how you could set it up no matter what size you are. You can do it down by 5s if you have a lot of weight to lose, or just 1 if you are just trying to lose that last 15-20 pounds. So it's versatile in that way. And as you can see, I had some washi tape kind of stripped across the bottom when I was trying it out, but I decided that I wanted to conserve this washi because I really like it. So I'm just going to do a little squares to connect them in between each of them as like a line, instead of trying to put it all the way behind each one and basically waste all that washi behind the square that you wouldn't be able to see. I think that was a better solution for this, even though it took a little bit to put it in there and make it look right. I really like that I was able to conserve so much, and then also limit the colors a little bit. I didn't have so much variation in color along the line. Kind of wish I would have done that at the very bottom, because you can see ghosted through the white boxes that you can actually see the washi there, but maybe I'll fix it at a later date. We shall see. So I just tried to evenly space out these boxes. I got about 5 across and just 1 separating each row, so I'd have a little bit of breathing room so they wouldn't be just right on top of each other. And I think that worked out pretty well. Really liking the look of it, the way that it kind of has that rainbow feel with the washi and then the box colors changing. I think this will be fun to look at. And now I'm going to move over the actual letters. I was going to try to like sweep it all off in one fell swoop, but I think I'm going to place them manually just to get a better feel for how much room I have here at the top. And then maybe give a little more breathing room around each letter. I thought the title, The Final Countdown, was appropriate to kind of give me that incentive that this is where I'm going to stay. I'm not going to go up again. This is going to be it. So just work slowly towards my goal and then try to keep it there. So that is what I'll be titling the page. And I'm using letters from the summer sticker book. It has these nice rainbow letters that are kind of cutesy. I use those on the inside as well, so I just kind of want to keep the whole insert feeling like it's all part of the same thing. And then these black letters came out of the Christmas Joy sticker book that has just these nice bold black letters. And again, I use those on the inside as well, so just keeping everything consistent on the insert. And now I think I want to add in some washi maybe here at the top. Just trying it out, but I don't know. I'm not really in love with just extra washi there. It's not really giving me the vibes that I was looking for. Kind of wanted to continue color since the final is black, so I thought adding a little bit of color there would work, but I'm not liking that. So we're going to go ahead and go into the Happy Goal sticker book and see if I can find something to kind of fill this space here on the corner. And that could have been cute, but it was a little bit bold and a little bit too big. So I'm going to go ahead and see if there's anything else I want to add in. And I thought maybe like these discs raining down would kind of give you the feeling like things going down, countdown, drop down, all those like, you know, falling feels. So that's what I was thinking. I was like, oh, that's cute. It's got a lot of the colors that I need in there. And so I'm just going to add those in and kind of have them falling down from that top corner. And just trying to mix up the colors a bit. I had thought I had more of them in the clear stickers, but apparently not. So I'm going to use all of the ones I have and then see if there's any other ones throughout this book, which I thought, like I said, I thought I had seen more, but looks like not. So, I do have these paper ones, which could work, but I kind of like to keep things consistent, so we'll just, I guess, work with what we have there on the page. And then I saw this page with some cute sayings in here that I thought might be nice in this blank area. So I'm just going to put those in there on the center boxes, kind of as I wind my way down the page. The first one says "Goal Get 'em." The pink one there says "Seeing Progress," and then the final one says "Keep Going." So I think that kind of applies with how I'll be progressing throughout the countdown. And now I am just seeing if there's anything else I want to add in here. Maybe something that says "goal," like when I reach my goal. I'm just seeing what's available. Did like that "just start." I was thinking maybe I'd grab that "start," but just trying to make some decisions here. I really want those two bigger boxes to stand out a bit as my starting and my goal. So I'm just looking for something that will work in this book. And again, I'm using this book because I did use it on the inside of the insert, so just trying to keep all of the feels in this kind of a rainbow tone with the black accent that's like very apparent on the insert. Which, if you're interested in what the insert looks like, I will link that video above as well as in the description, so you can check that out and kind of make your own as well if you want a weight tracker and measurements tracker idea. So I had picked out that hooray for my goal weight. That's kind of a nice little to the point saying in black, which I like. And I was looking for something that said start, but I didn't find one in black, which I felt like I needed it to be black for it to really work in the space. So I'm going to trim these out, add in a few of these trimmings where I can on the spread. And then maybe write in the word and try to copy the feels of the text at the bottom. It says hooray, and that way they look like they're connected somehow. And I'm just tracing it out with my Arteza twin marker, which I really like how thin it is. However, I felt like it was a little bit too thin to match up with the bottom text, so went ahead and traced over it. And that will do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!